Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to fix D3DX9_43.dll missing error. So let's take a look how to fix that. In order to do that, I'm going to share with you within 3 steps how you can fix this issue. First of all, we're going to download this D3DX9 file from internet. So I'm going to open my any web browser, and then after that I'm going to type here D3DX_43.dll and download. We will see the search result up here. We need to open this DLL. You can see here D3DX_40 free download. So we're going to open that. After open that, we will see a screen up here. You scroll all the way down, and here you can download. If your operating system is 64-bit, you can easily download 64-bit. If your operating system is 32-bit, you can download the 32-bit zip file. My one is 64-bit, so I'm going to click here download, and you will see the file is going to be downloaded within 5 seconds. So after download successfully, I'm going to open this folder, and we'll see there will be a screen appear something like this. Now we need to go on our computer, this PC, and then we need to go our computer local disk C where is Windows installed. So we're going to open that, and here we need to click here view, and then we're going to click here hidden item, and we're going to check this hidden item, and then now we will click here Windows folder, and then we need to go jump over system 32-bit folder and scroll all the way down, and then we need to bring this D3DX9_43.dll just simply right over here. After bring it here, we will see a confirmation of the up here. We're going to click here continue. After click on successfully copy, then restart your PC and then see is it working or not. If it is not work, let me share with you the second step. In order to do that, we're going to open our Google Chrome or any web browser, and then we're going to type here DirectX download. After click on DirectX download, we will see a screen appear something like this. We need to open this DirectX and use a runtime. After open that, we will see there will be a screen up here saying DirectX and user runtime will be installed. We're going to click here download. After click on download, you can see the software is downloaded. We're going to open that, and then we need to install this software. After install software, this successfully restart your PC and then see is your that error is fixing or not. If it is not, let me share with you the third and last step. Search in your search bar, type here CMD, and you will find here command prompt. Right click over, then click here run as administrator, and then you will see there will be a new screen up here. Here you need to type sfc space / and then you have to type here scan now and hit enter. After 100% scan now, and then restart your PC. Hopefully within these 3 steps, your DXD39_43.dll going to fix. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.